Mom, where are the tools?
Bottom drawer.
Bottom drawer. Oh, it's a mess in here. Do you even have a electric screwdriver? Unfortunately, it looks like my parents don't have an electric screwdriver or drill. Unfortunately, I have the VEVOR cordless screwdriver set with me. So looking at this unit, you have a user's manual. This will be pretty much straightforward. All the tools that you need. This is an 82-piece set. And here is the cordless screwdriver. All right, very nice. Oh, cool! Check it out, man. This is like a gun. Awesome. Got rechargeable AC adapter. Okay, using USB-A technology. So let's go ahead and take a look at the tool set first. I believe this is an extension, flexible extension rod to get those hard to reach places. I've never used one of these before. I'm excited that I have it. So the chuck size, it's 1/4 inch hex. All right. And I'm pretty sure it goes in like that. Yep. Pretty standard, tighten, loosen. And looking at the drill bits, okay, you have your Phillips head, various shapes, okay, nice. Oh, Phillips head 2 and 3, Phillips head 0 to 1, very nice. That's by the way, these are all magnetic bits too. Feels solid to the touch. Flatheads along with I just call these starry shape. I don't know the exact nomenclature. And I really appreciate this storage case too. You keep everything intact without just putting in a drawer all messy. See, hex size, sizes. So take a look at the bottom unit right here. Okay, you also have these 6 different nut drivers, 1/4 inch, 38 millimeters. Okay, various sizes. In case you're wondering what are the nut drivers used for, these are used to loosen nuts and bolts. Along with these drill bits. You see the destination right here? All of these are magnetic tips and also made of chromium, vanadium, steel material. Along with more bits, hexagonal bits, got the T-shaped heads, and also these specialized sizing. Also different interchangeable heads for the using a different size drill bits. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the main actor of this review. This is the 8-volt 7 nanometer. That's torque for all of you engineering or technicians. The highest RPM operates at 210 revolutions per minute, and it only weighs about 3.88 pounds. And I really appreciate that dual position. Very nice rubber grip. Black and orange makes it stand out, easy to find. Oh, and I just realized this has a LED light. There you go. That's for the LED light. How cool is that? I've never seen a drill or electric screwdriver with a LED light. That really helps if you're working out in low light places. Let's go ahead and charge this. All right, so while that's charging, on the bottom, you can check the indicator right here. It shows you what's available right now. If it's red, that means less than 20%. Red plus yellow means 20 to 70%. If all three LEDs are lit, that means it's greater than 70% charge. With a full charge, you can use this continuously to screw 300 pieces of screws. All right, so let me go ahead and attach this Phillips head to bits onto the magnetic holder right here. So this is the lock and unlock button. So unlocked, and this is to drill in, to loosen, clockwise, counterclockwise. You see these numbers up here. This is the torque setting. Okay, ranging from 1 odd numbers all the way up to a level of 21. So the greater number, that means the greater torque used to drive bigger size bits. And just to show you how to use the flexible extension tubing. Actually, I wouldn't need this chuck right now. Okay, so let's say you have a very long, hard to reach place. This is how you will use it. How cool is that? So I have this pull lock on this door. Let's say imagine I have to replace it. So let's go ahead and choose this drill bit. And I just remember something. When you insert this, you have to make sure it's locked in. That way it doesn't fall out. See? See? All right, so I have a torque setting of 15. Let's go ahead and turn on the LED light. Now I am going to remove it. See how easy that comes out? All right. Similarly, let's say this right here. All right, now let's go ahead and tighten it back in. Piece of cake. Wow, that was fun. Wow, I am very happy with the performance of this cordless screwdriver set. All of the pieces that you need to do all of your loosening or tightening work. It makes a great set to keep at home or in the car, making any type of mechanic or home repair type of work easy. Keep everything stored compactly and organized in this nice little carry case too. So if you are looking for a very easy to use and highly versatile cordless screwdriver set, definitely give the VEVOR brand a look.